Okay. Use of a family representative. This form is for family who wish to apply online together to do. Okay. Write the phone number for the family to be appointed. So first is for the person who's going to be the representative. So in our case, it's John, right? So Smith, John, John's date of birth. It as per your own case. So we are assuming that John Smith and Myra Smith are applying together. John is the husband whose GCK account is being used, and Maria and John are applying together. So basically, Maria is giving authority to John that, hey, John, you go and do for me. Family member name. So here it will be Maria. Oh, I'm sorry, be careful with the spelling, guys. And anything you enter, check it at least 2 times. Now, Maria's date of birth. Granting permission, yes. Okay. Okay. So here, select date. So it's gonna be today's date. Make sure you make the format. And Mary needs to sign here. And this family member representative, this is for John. Okay. Take a printout of this form. Here Maria needs to sign, here John needs to sign, and then you can upload it to your GCK account. Okay, in the slot. So this is how this form can be filled. Now I'm taking you back to the my GCK.